Hey everybody, welcome back to Share XP. I'm Paul. Today I am working on a Sunjoe power sprayer. Now the issue I've been having has to do with the wand here itself. Now if you look at the instructions, it basically just says if you want to take this off of here, you untwist it and remove it. And that's not very helpful. So what happens is, I'm going to zoom in here real quick and show you. But the sprayer is attached and it actually has a lock on the inside. Everything is plastic. So I wanted to make sure when I was removing it to not break it, but I noticed that it really wasn't wanting to come apart. It was fairly stuck together. So I'm going to give you a close-up here and show you what you need to do to get this apart. Now, I imagine if you're watching this video, you were thinking something along the lines that I was, where if you want to get it loose, you simply lefty-loosey, right? Lefty-loosey, right? Just kidding. All right, you hit a wall here, and the thing is not coming unstuck. What you need to do, take the handle, push it forward, like so you don't have a gap in between, and then rotate it the rest of the way, and then unstick it. Now, this bar in the middle, it's designed, I don't know if you can see that very well, there we go. It's designed to catch and prevent it from literally shooting off when you're using it. So, that's why I believe they designed it in that way. So, it's kind of a safety feature there, so you don't accidentally shoot someone with the end of the wand. So hopefully this got you back to whatever project you were working on. Thanks again for watching my video. I do appreciate it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It definitely helps me bump up the ladder of the Google machine, and I do appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks again for viewing my channel.